8,000 Ukrainian hryvnias, or some $280 of financial assistance. The state is ready to pay this sum of money to entrepreneurs and their employees who suffered from toughened quarantine restrictions. One can apply for the state support via the DIA State Services application. 312 votes. Decision approved. Moreover, according to the law, during the third wave of the pandemic, entrepreneurs will get assistance from the state as well as from local budgets.
The second source of financing is funds from local budgets and the amount which is established by the relevant decision of a local council, and to pay this sum from the local budget.
This means that the amount of payments to entrepreneurs will grow by at least a half, Oleg Ustenko, advisor to the president of Ukraine, says. There are expectations related to the fact that at least this sum can be increased by 50% at the expense of local budgets. This means that the entrepreneurs will be able to get not only $280, but in fact $430. Well, if the capabilities of a local budget are so significant as, for example, in Kyiv, then the entrepreneurs would get an opportunity to get an additional 100% payment. Besides, the MPs have also taken the first step towards tax amnesty. They've supported the presidential bill on the introduction of a zero declaration for everyone who wants to legitimize the assets earned illegally. The bill would provide an opportunity to legalize the money earned illegally, withdraw it from shadow and make this money work. And indeed, this tax amnesty is a voluntary thing. In order to legalize shadow property and assets, one will have to submit a declaration once throughout the year, starting from July the 1st. In this case, cash should be deposited into a bank account or transferred into securities. The amnesty will not affect former officials or politicians who have filed tax returns since 2005. 257 votes. The law is approved as a whole. Having approved another bill, the parliament unblocked the large privatization process, which was stopped due to the coronavirus pandemic. Large enterprises that are not of strategic importance and which have already been prepared for auctions by the State Property Fund will be listed for sale. Thus, the state will be able to receive additional $430 million to the budget and create new working places. Reported by Vadim Kramer, Valery Bakus and Yulia Krychkova, UATV News.